Understanding workshop topics. A guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, workshop topics. Whether you're planning to attend a workshop or organize one, understanding this phrase is key to a successful experience. So, let's get started. Before we understand workshop topics, it's essential to know what a workshop is. A workshop is a meeting or a series of meetings where a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. It's interactive, often involving practical work, and is distinct from a traditional lecture. The phrase, workshop topics, refers to the subjects or themes that will be discussed or worked on in a workshop. These topics guide the content and activities of the workshop, ensuring that the participants have a clear understanding of what they will learn or accomplish. Let's look at some examples. 1. Creative writing. This workshop might include topics like character development, plot structure, and editing techniques. 2. Business skills. Topics could include leadership, teamwork, or effective communication. 3. Art and craft. Here, topics might range from painting techniques to DIY home decor. When selecting a workshop to attend, it's important to consider if the topics align with your interests or learning goals. Similarly, if you're organizing a workshop, ensure the topics are relevant and engaging for your audience. Workshop topics are crucial because they define the focus of the workshop, help in preparing materials and activities, ensure that the learning objectives are met. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of workshop topics and why they are important. Remember, the right topic can make a significant difference in the success of a workshop. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.